Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 from USB. We're going to be taking you to a website and the link will be in the description down below. On this website you can see download Windows 11 and when you scroll down you can see create Windows 11 installation media. Go ahead and click on download now. And in a moment you can see media creation tool.x. Go over to your file explorer. And in your file explorer, you can see the file which you just downloaded for your USB. You're going to double click on it. And here you can see getting a few things ready. After a few moments, you'll see this option where you'll need to scroll down to read the details and click on accept. And right here, you can see the language and the edition. And here it says use the recommended options for this PC. We have it ticked and we're going to click on next. Then it says choose which media to use. We're going to have a USB drive and you need to make sure that you have at least 8 GB of free space. So you're going to click on next and then make sure the flash drive is connected and then you're going to select it and click on next. So after selecting the flash drive and clicking on next, all the necessary installation files will be downloaded into your flash drive. Now because we cannot show you how it's going to look like while having the installation, we're going to outline the following steps, so please make sure to follow them. So turn off your computer, plug in your flash drive, and then boot your PC. And while your PC wants to start up, make sure to press the escape key, F2, F8, F10 or F12 key depending on your manufacturer in order to get to the BIOS boot sequence. In the BIOS boot sequence, you're going to make sure that the USB drive is the first on the sequence of where your computer should boot from. When you select your USB as the first one, you can save it and restart your computer once again. When your computer starts up again, it will boot from your USB drive. When it boots, you're going to have the option to install Windows 11 from your USB. Proceed with the on-screen instructions and select your preferences in order to install Windows 11 from your USB. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.